What's going on, guys? Today we are testing out and reviewing the Karcher K4 compact pressure washer. So let's go outside and unbox this. In the box you will get a how-to guide giving you brief instructions on different accessories for different jobs to tackle. So here it states slot in the plastic wheels on each side like I've done already. Register your product for a 3 years manufacturer's guarantee. This is the variable pressure lance with control from low to high. We have the dirt blaster lance, which boosts 50% more cleaning power than the previous lance attachment. The 6-meter hose connects from the pressure washer to the gun, and if it's not enough you can purchase a longer length hose or an extension. I searched online and there are unbranded cheaper hose that you can use that is compatible for the Karcher pressure washer. You'll get a quick coupling for the high pressure hose and you'll get the pressure gun. Now this side button is a safety lock feature. Press in to unlock, press out to lock. This button is to release the hose once attached. Right in this slot is where you attach your hose, and here you have your detergent suction hose. Now to wheel the pressure washer around, simply lift up fully till it clicks in place. Remember, you should only use this pressure washer when the unit is flat down. Do not use it standing up. To close it, tap it back down. In the box you will also get this quick connector. Now the following garden hosepipe connectors you will need to purchase in order the connection to work. Make sure you are using a good thick material garden hosepipe, as Karcher do not recommend using an expandable one. Screw in your quick connector. Now attach your garden hosepipe to the connector. Make sure all is firmly fit together. Then simply attach it to the quick connector. To release it, press in and pull out. Screw in the quick coupling. Now it doesn't matter which end of the pressure hose you will plug in. Simply push in to clip in its place. You can only release the hose from the quick coupling when there is no pressure in the gun. So to release, push down on the coupling and lift the hose out. Attach the other hose to the gun and make sure it is fully clipped in. To release, press down on this button. Turn the tap on, turn on the Karcher pressure washer, and you will hear this 2-second sound which is on standby mode. If you see a bit of dripping from the connectors, not to worry, make sure all is tight. Choose your desired attachment, slot in and turn inside the groove. This one I'm using is the variable spray lance. I'll start off with the hard pressure. And now we are on soft. Now time to switch over to the dirt blaster. This is the safety lock feature I was previously on about that works very well. Right, let's carry out some tests on this. Now as you can see how much dirt has been building up on this gravel board, so let's give this a shot in getting rid of all this dirt. done a pretty good job. Now onto the stepping stones. When you're cleaning the fence panels, try not to get that close, otherwise you'll end up chipping off the wood like I have done accidentally. Now for windows, cars or for any other cleaning, there are separate attachments you can purchase. And above all else, don't forget to cover yourself. As you spray off the dirt, it can land anywhere. Once you're done, turn off the Karcher pressure washer and the tap. Release all the excess water inside the hose. Detach all the attachments, make sure no water is trapped inside, including the quick coupling and connectors. Once this is done, time to pack away. Now at the back of the K4 Karcher pressure washer, you will find compartments for your attachments. Unfortunately, as for the hose and the mains lead, you have to tie them around and place them on the top. So guys, overall I am satisfied with the K4 pressure washer compact. Being my first pressure washer I have purchased that tackles all kinds of dirt, no matter how deep it is. I hope Karcher can provide all its garden hose connectors within the kit, as that was something separate I had to figure out and purchase, making sure I was getting the right one. Next time when I use the K4 pressure washer, I will carry out more tests, this time using the detergent suction hose. If you have any questions guys, leave them in the comment section below and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.